Hey Lisa, are you ready for the meeting? Almost, but there's a problem. What's wrong? I brought the wrong thing to the office. The wrong thing? What do you mean? I was in a hurry this morning. I picked up the hot sandwich press instead of my laptop. Wait, you brought a sandwich machine? Yes, I know it sounds strange. I'm really sorry I didn't check my bag. Do you have your laptop at home? Yes, it's still at home on my desk. The meeting starts in 3 hours. I know, I forgot to tell you earlier. Can someone bring it to you? Yes, I just called my mom. She's bringing my laptop now. Will she arrive in time? She said she'll be here in 15 minutes. Okay, that should work. Thanks for telling me. Next time, please double check. Yes, I will. Sorry again.
Hi, where are you? I'm here now.
Oh, really? I thought we were meeting at 7 p.m.
I thought it was 7 a.m.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't check the time carefully.
It's okay. I should have asked again.
So we had a misunderstanding.
Yes, I think so.
I'm still at home right now.
That's fine. I'll go home then.
Thank you. I don't want to make you wait too long.
Let's make it clear this time.
Okay, we meet at 7 p.m. today, right?
Yes, 7 p.m. this evening.
Got it. I'll be there early.
Okay, see you later.
See you. Thanks for understanding.
Hello, I'm calling about my delivery. Sure, can I have your order number, please? Yes, it's 45821. Thank you. Let me check the system. I was told the package would arrive today. I understand. I'm sorry for the delay. So it's not coming today? It will arrive late this evening around 9 p.m. Oh, that's quite late. I really need it today. I see. May I ask what the package is? It's a gift for a birthday tonight. I'm very sorry about that. Is there anything you can do to help? We can change it to express delivery for free. Will that make it faster? Yes, it should arrive within 2 hours. That would be great. Please do that. Okay, I've updated your order. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Sorry again for the delay.
Hi. Where are you, bro? I'm here already. I'm here too, but I don't see you. Really? I'm standing near the main entrance. Oh, I'm at the back entrance near the parking lot. That explains it. I thought we said the main entrance. I thought you meant the back one. Okay, no problem. Let's fix this. Can you see a coffee shop near you? Yes, there's a small coffee shop on the left. Great. Stay there. I'll walk to you now. Okay, I'll wait here. Sorry about the confusion. It's okay. We didn't explain it clearly. Next time, let's be more specific. Yes, that's a good idea. I see you now. Finally. Hi. Hi. Glad we found each other. Hi. I think there's a problem with my payment.
Okay, what seems to be the issue?
I tried to pay with my card, but it didn't work.
I see. Let me try again.
Sure.
It still says payment declined.
That's strange. I used this card this morning.
It may be a temporary problem. Do you have another card?
No, I don't. I only have this one.
Okay, would you like to try paying with cash?
I don't have enough cash with me.
No problem. You can also pay by mobile app.
Oh, really? That works.
Great. Please scan this code.
Done. Did it go through?
Yes, the payment is successful now.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Sorry for the trouble.
It's okay. These things happen. Hi, do you have a minute?
Sure, is everything okay?
I wanted to talk about the blender I borrowed from you.
Oh, yes. Did you finish using it?
Well, there's a small problem.
What happened?
I think I broke it by accident.
Really? How did that happen?
I was using it and suddenly it stopped working. I'm sorry. I should have been more careful.
That's okay. These things happen.
I feel really bad about it. Did you try unplugging it and checking the button? Yes, I did, but it still doesn't work. I see. Thank you for telling me. Honestly, I'd like to pay for the repair or replace it. You don't have to replace it, but a repair would be nice. Of course, I'll take care of it. Thank you, I appreciate that. Sorry again for the trouble. It's okay, thanks for being responsible.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see your dress.
It's okay. Accidents happen.
I really feel terrible. I stepped on it and got it dirty.
I understand. It was crowded.
Please let me take responsibility. I can pay for cleaning or replace it if needed.
That's kind of you, but it's not necessary.
Are you sure? I don't mind at all.
Yes, I'm sure the dress can be cleaned.
At least let me do something to say sorry.
Well, if you really want to,
Please, I insist.
you can invite me to dinner sometime. Let's call it even.
Dinner? That sounds fair. I promise I'll make it a proper apology dinner.
All right, then. I'll accept that.
Thank you for being so understanding.
Thank you for being honest and polite about it.
Good evening. I hope you're enjoying everything so far.
Yes, we are, thank you.
I just wanted to let you know that this dish here is part of our premium selection. Sometimes the sign isn't very clear.
Oh, I see. We didn't realize that.
No problem at all. It happens quite often.
Our child picked it. He really liked how it looked.
Of course, a lot of kids like that one.
What would you suggest we do?
If you'd like, we can replace it with another item from the regular buffet. Or if you prefer to keep it, we can add a small upgrade.
How much would that be?
It would be $12 for this item.
That's fine. We'll keep it.
Perfect. I'll take care of that for you. Please enjoy the rest of your meal. Excuse me, I think this is my table.
Oh, I'm really sorry. I didn't know someone was sitting here.
It's okay. I just went to get my coffee.
I see. The place is very busy tonight.
Yes, it is. It's easy to get confused.
I hope I didn't cause any trouble.
Not at all. Are you here by yourself?
Yes, I am. I couldn't find an empty table.
That makes sense.
Would you like to sit here with me? Are you sure? I don't want to bother you.
It's totally fine. I'm eating alone too.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
By the way, I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Sam.
Nice to meet you too.
Thanks again. Busy nights can be stressful. Yeah, but this makes it nicer.
Hi, excuse me. I just went up to my room, but it looks like it's still being cleaned.
Oh, I'm very sorry about that. May I have your room number, please?
Sure, it's 508.
Thank you. Let me check that for you. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Housekeeping is still finishing the room.
I see. I wasn't sure if I went to the wrong room.
No, you're in the right place. I apologize for the delay.
Is there any idea how long it will take?
It should be about 30 minutes.
I understand. I've had a long trip today.
Of course. Let me see what I can do for you.
Yes, please.
We can offer you a VIP room with a special upgrade price.
Oh, really? What would the price be?
It would be $40 more for tonight.
That sounds good. I'll take it.
Perfect. I'll get that ready for you right away.
Today.
Really? Thank you.
Yeah, I love your outfit. That jacket looks great on you.
Oh, this old thing. I've had it for years.
Well, it still looks brand new. The color really suits you.
You think so? I wasn't sure about the color.
No, it's perfect. It matches your shoes, too.
Oh, thanks. I just bought these shoes last week.
Nice choice. Where did you get them?
At the new mall downtown. They were on sale.
You always find the best deals. Maybe I just shop too much. No, you have good taste. Your style is always simple but cool.
That's so nice of you to say.
It's true. You look confident and comfortable. Thanks.
You look good too, by the way.
Oh, really? I didn't even try today. Well, sometimes simple looks best. Maybe I'll take that as a compliment.
You should.
We both look great today. Yes, we do. Let's take a photo together.
Good idea.
Good outfit day deserves a picture. Agreed. Say cheese. Hi, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's up?
The printer isn't working again.
Oh no, what's wrong with it?
I don't know, it just stopped printing.
Did you check if it's out of paper?
Yes, there is paper inside.
What about the cable? Is it connected?
Let me see. Yes, it's plugged in.
Okay, maybe it's the Wi-Fi. Are you connected to the office network?
Yes, same as always.
That's strange. Is there an error message on the screen?
Yes, it says paper jam. What does that mean?
It means some paper is stuck inside.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Don't worry, it happens a lot. Just open this back cover here.
Like this?
Yes, pull it gently. There, you can see the stuck paper.
Got it. Should I remove it?
Yes, take it out slowly.
Okay, done.
Great. Now close the cover and try again.
It's printing.
You're a lifesaver.
Glad I could help.
Thanks. I really need these reports today.
No problem. Next time you'll know what to do.
Yeah, I just learned something new.
Excuse me.
Oh, yes.
I think you have my bag.
Your bag? Really? This one is mine.
Maybe. But it looks just like mine.
Oh, that's funny. Many people have the same bag these days.
Yes, but mine has a red keychain on the zipper.
Wait a second. Oh, there's a red keychain here.
See? That's my bag.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I must have picked it up by mistake.
That's okay. They look almost the same.
I feel so embarrassed. I wasn't paying attention.
Don't worry. It happens all the time.
I'm glad we found them so quickly.
Me too. I thought my bag was gone.
At least it's a happy ending.
Yes, I'll tie a ribbon on mine next time.
Good idea. I'll do the same.
All right. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's soft, juicy, and hot.
And the fries are perfect, so crispy.
I told you this place was great.
You were right. I love the food here.
Same. But wait, how will we pay? I forgot my wallet, remember?
Oh, no, that's true.
So what now?
Don't worry. I have a plan.
You have money?
No, not cash. I'll use points.
Points? What do you mean points?
Every time you buy food here, you get points in the app. After 10 meals, you get one free.
Oh, so points are free money from the restaurant.
Exactly. Points are rewards. You don't pay cash, you use points.
Perfect. That's the question. Oh, it's paid. This really works.
See, we can survive without cash.
Wait, survive means keep going, right?
Yes, we can keep going even without money.
Nice. Free burger tastes even better.
Not free, it's your points. Invisible money.
Invisible money. I like that. That burger was so good.
Yeah, I'm full now.
Let's walk a bit, maybe in the park.
Good idea. It's close from here.
Wow, the trees look so green.
Yeah, and the air feels fresh.
I love sunny days like this.
Same here. The wind feels soft.
Listen, can you hear the birds?
Yeah, it's beautiful. So calm.
After all that city noise, this feels great.
Yeah, no cars, no crowds, just peace.
Look, that kid is flying a kite. He's so happy.
I like watching people like that.
Me too. It feels simple, just life.
Let's sit on that bench.
Okay, good view from here.
The lake looks clean today.
Yeah, the water shines in the sun.
It's nice to slow down sometimes.
Yeah, we always rush too much.